Center. Hi everyone, I am Jourrney from Gangneung Tourism Organization Vice Team. Lately, we've been welcoming too many international tourists to Gangneung, but landing on international airport and figuring out how to get to Gangneung can be too overwhelming and confusing. So I'm doing something special today. I'm taking out my office shoes and transforming into first-time international tourist Julia. Together, we are heading to the Gangneung Convention Center, the beautiful venue which hosting the ITS World Congress next October. Here is the catch. No taxis, no inside help. I can only use transportation like buses or train. How long it will take? How much it will cost? What adventure waiting for Julia? Let's find out together. Let's go! Let's go! If you ever tons of heavy luggage and hate transferring, there is a straight bus international airport to Gangneung. No transferring, super easy. Okay, this is Korea. We can skip Seoul, right? So I'm gonna explore Seoul Station first and head to the Gangneung. Let's get our train ticket. Let's go.
Mission 1, start!
Oh, we just arrived to the Seoul Station here. Oh, there is the English option. Select the station. Seoul Station. Other. Oh, success! Go Seoul Station here. Let's go. Are we heading the right way to Seoul Station? Let's gather and see. Lifting it up. We finally made it to the Seoul Station. I just need to buy a ticket for Gangneung. But where can I buy a ticket? Oh, here is the kiosk. Let's go check it out.
Mission 2, start!
If you need help, you can call this video help. Wow, we just get a ticket for the Gangneung. We successfully made it on the train. It's gonna be take 2 hours to Gangneung, so I'm gonna take a quick nap to Gangneung. See you in Gangneung. Yeah, we finally arrived at Gangneung Station. Did you guys smell the location already? Let's head over to the Gangneung Convention Center. Let's go!
Mission 3, start!
According to this map, we can take out 2021 bus and get off at Gangneung Ice Arena Station. Can we wait a bus together? Now we've arrived at Gangneung Ice Arena bus stop. From now on, we have to walk about 400 meters to the Gangneung Convention Center. Let's go!
Mission complete.
Wow! So this is the Gangneung Convention Center. It looks like so incredible and so amazing. I can't wait for the incredible MaaS event will take place here. Speaking of which, did you know the Gangneung is hosting the event 2026 ITS World Congress called the Olympic of Intelligent Transport Systems this October? This massive event will bring the world together under the theme Beyond Mobility, Connected World, featuring high-level meetings, academic sessions, exhibition, and live tech demonstrations. If you're fascinated about the future of mobility, you definitely don't want to miss this event. Come and join us at Gangneung Convention Center. Come and join us together! So that was my trip as a foreign tourist Julia. It took about 3 hours and cost almost $30. Honestly, it wasn't an easy trip. Since there was no direct bus from Gangneung Station to Gangneung Convention Center, so I had to work about 10 minutes. It was so tiring and hot. And it would be great if there was a more sign and information board at a transportation facility. What do you guys think? Tell me about your thoughts or your own travel experiences in the comments below. See you next time. Bye!